Hello guys, thank you for watching another episode of Cooking with Chef Chantel. Today I will be showing you how to make smothered chicken wings. So I am frying this in some extra virgin olive oil, and as you can see I've already put some seasoning on my chicken. Okay, so that's onion, celery, bell peppers, and green onion. Okay, so I added parsley flakes and some Italian seasoning. So now I am going to allow this to cook. You want to cover it with some aluminum foil and cook it on both sides for 15 minutes on each side. Stay tuned. Okay, so now I am getting ready to smother this chicken with the gravy. Stay tuned. Okay, so now I am adding the gravy. So if you notice, I transferred this from one pot to another because I wanted to make sure that I placed the chicken on a paper towel first to drain the excess grease. So I'm covering my chicken and I will cook this on medium low for 30 minutes. Stay tuned. Also with the smothered chicken, I will be serving some potatoes. As you can see, I cut them up into cubes and I am boiling it in water with salt. Okay, so I'm adding margarine. That was 2.5 tablespoons of margarine. So I just added some seasoned salt. So you just want to gently toss this. So the name of this is garlic and herb potatoes. So the recipe directions for this will be available in the bottom of the description link. Okay, be sure to stir this periodically because of the gravy, it will stick. Ten minutes before your food is done, turn your pot down to low heat and allow it to cook for the remaining 10 minutes. Stay tuned. Dinner is served. Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for watching, and you all have a blessed day.